after Ramos picked up his third.
Team like that, this is one of the cleanest shots that they've taken tonight, and that's not been that much. Oh, man.
Galanza drives, lays it in. Pulgar will take the three. Yes, sir.
And just like we saw right there.
In the third quarter.
Ooh.
66-33.
It's been a different guy. A couple, so keeping himself in check so far. And let's not forget Orlan Mamara before liking. And right now there is not so much free throw.
Coming into this game, only averaging off the dribble. Gamboa. Ooh, hard fall. Soyod.
No, he can't do that.
Binigay was Soyod took exception to that hit.
Lawrence Victoria out of the playing court.
Points in this playoffs. Toto beat the buzzer. Oh, Harvey. And Villapando.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Raul Soyod earning a nod after Ramos picked up his third foul. Orlan Wamar shooting the lights out.
So far, yung kombinasyon na yan, ang ganda ng palitan di ba?
Yep.
Ian and Hesed, but tonight, that's not been that much. Oh, man!
Orlan Wamar with his best playoff games.
And let's not forget Orlan Wamar before this little slump, so to speak, from the field. He was the third leading scorer for him. It really is more to their liking. And right now, there is not so much free throws awarded both these teams.
Victoria, sumalaksak. Coach Gerson slapping the basketball.
But they're claiming, I think, what Coach Noy Catalan and Coach Gerson Cabiltes is trying to explain is that they're
18 points. Coming into this game, only averaging 9.3 points in this playoffs, shooting
early in the playoff games that he's played previously.
Nakalusot si Lawrence Victoria.
Over for Victoria to finish.
Off the dribble, Gamboa. Ooh, hard fall. Soyod.
No, you can't do that. You're in an elimination game and you want to stay on the floor. That was a hard fall.
Yeah.
Well, Arvin Gamboa saw that middle lane open, so instead of going for that shot,
you took exception to that hit. Gamboa visibly happened here.
See, this was that drive, and he went to his right side, allowing JP to fly by, but oh wow.
That's easy, an unsportsmanlike foul.
Oh, that could even be maybe disqualifying.
Yeah.
That was a hard hit.
That's why Soyod went immediately to Lawrence Victoria.
And the reason that...
Disqualifying foul on number 8, Lawrence Victoria. Lawrence Victoria out of the playing court. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 8, Raul Soyod, his third. Technical foul on number 9, Harvey Pagsanan for unsportsmanlike behavior. Second foul on Harvey Pagsanan.
See that once again. He again allowed that defense to fly by, but Lawrence Victoria clearly, no way that was a play for the ball. That was clearly straight to the head. And Soyod went in there, like what you said, really just standing up for a fallen teammate. Harvey got in there.
Free throw na binigay was walang in-argue ni Coach Alex, but nag-foul din ni Raul Soyod. Gamboa fading away. Money on that midi.
Wow, Arvin Gamboa fired up after that fall, and Hesed Gamboa trying to take that back.
Gabo still coming up empty. Soberano, dire-derecho, lays it in. This lead has ballooned to its biggest at 20 points.
And clearly Orlan Wamar did not.
Gabo still with the rock. Offensive foul against the Heat Waves. It's gonna go against Vic.
You have to understand, you still have a lot of basketball ahead of you.
Air ball on the jumper, but the cleanup from Raul Soyod.
Oh, how about the value of fusion para sa night, especially without Mike Calisan.
Bulanadi, pasa sa
There
loob.
you go.
Tapoles, he will score.
That might be something that the Heat Page wanna try and exploit.
The thing is, San Juan has taken away yung interior scoring
Correct.
nitong Pangasinan, and in return, they've got
And they have refused. Oh, that's another good example right there. And the primary defenders have refused to be beat. And just like we saw right there, Hesed Gabo trying to break down that defense, and Curly's got a couple. So keeping himself in check so far here in this third quarter.
bumagsak si Raul Soyud. Panganiban, Marquez, pasa palabas, Galinato. Supply yung kanyang tres. Cuellar, heads up play to a wide open Dexter Marquez. He will drive. Cuellar will take the three. Yes, sir! It's been all San Juan. The output of Pangasinan, 66-33.
And the thing is, it's been different guys. See Dexter Marquez and JC Cuellar. Oh, that's a clear hit.
Pangasinan has to be careful here.
And what that means is that they've been more intentional on the offensive end of the floor. Let's see another drive right there by JC Cuellar. Hand.
69-33. Poliado forcing his way in. He scored.
You know, not use so much Vic Manuel here in the second half.
JC susubok ulit ng tres. Girian sa ilalim. Galinato to beat the buzzer. Oh! RV!
Oh,
And
man.
Villapando!
Oh,
Punches were thrown. That was at the end of the third quarter. They got entangled.
indeed. See this, what happened right there. Harvey and Villapando really grabbing each other. That was a forearm right to the back of the head of Villapando, and other guys started stepping in.
Both players swung at each other.
Yes. Yes, they did. And Maguliano was also there, but I felt Maguliano was in there to try and separate the guys. It was really just Villapando and Harvey right there.
Right, it was Pagsanhan who swung first.
Right. And I do, well, based from what we saw earlier, even on live.
It is a double disqualifying foul between number 9 Harvey Pagsanhan and number 23 Ken Villapando.
Scoring Pangasinan 30-7 in the third quarter.
Ooh.
See here, or ahead, they continue to execute, and even amidst the wildfire, they're cool, calm, and
In my opinion, that game number 3 series against Nueva Ecija, that was a very close game. That was an elimination.
Mabulak hesitated, eventually taking that shot.
Line drive. And if you go up against a team like that, this is one of the cleanest shots that they've taken so far into heat waves.
Although San Juan with the lead, Ramos sticks the jumper in.
Yeah, and safety is always a priority. Kaya yun po, mga ingat po tayo mga kababayan, and prayers really going out to those affected in the Visayas, including our, friend.
Dito sa Pangasinan, Galanza drives, lays it in, lead down to 19. Cuellar puts it on the deck. JC there to take the free, and he will make it. Wamar. Denison, corner pocket free.
Oh, yeah.
Could be the nail in the coffin.
And he's been game 3 and go back into the national finals. And ito namang heat waves. Another 3 this time by JC Cuellar.
Cuellar will take the free. No good. And San Juan will live to fight another day. First field goal from Hazel Gabo. It's been that type of a night.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!